Hello guys, let's solve this math problem together, which is k to the power of k plus 2 equals to k to the power of 4. So what is the possible value for k? So let's see solution. Okay, so k to the power of k plus 2 is equals to k to the power of 4. Okay, at this left hand side we can apply an indices rule, which says a to the power of m plus n is also equals to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So if we put this rule here, we have this to be k to the power of k times k to the power of 2 is equals to k to the power of 4. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is to divide both sides by k to the power of 2. So if we do that, we have k to the power of k times k to the power of 2 over k to the power of 2 is equals to k to the power of 4 over k to the power of 2. So this and this will go, we are left with k to the power of k equals to k to the power of 4. So here we are going to apply indices rule, which says if you're having a to the power of m over a to the power of n is also equals to a to the power of m minus n. So you are putting minus 2 here. Okay, so I haven't done that. So from here we are now having k to the power of k is equals to k to the power of 4 minus 2 is going to give us 2. So some persons will say, let us compare and get our answer. But if you compare, you are just only going to have one value for k, and whereas we are having two values of k are possible here. So the next thing you are going to do is to multiply both sides of the equation by the natural log, which is your log base e. So if you do that, we have the log of base e, k to the power of k is equals to log of k squared to base e. Okay, so from here we are going to apply a log rule, which is log of a to the power of c to base e is also equals to c log a to the power to base e. So if we put this rule here, this will be coming back. We have this to be k log k to base e is equals to 2 log k to base e. Okay, having done this, we can say let's take a equals to log k to base e. Okay, a equals to log k to base e. So we are having here to be k times a is equals to 2 times a. You can see we are having two unknown variables here. So but for us to make this another unknown variables to be k, we can also take, let's take the exponent of a. So we say exponent of a is equals to exponent of log k to base e. So remember from a log rule, which says if you're having exponent of log c to base e is also equals to c. So if we put this rule here, we are having here to be exponent of a is equals to k. So wherever we see k, we are putting exponent of a. Wherever we see log k to base e, we are putting a. So this equation becomes a times exponent of a is equals to 2a. So having done this, we can bring this to this other side. So we're having a exponential a minus 2a equals to 0. So from here we can see that a is common. So we say a open bracket exponential a minus 2 close bracket equals to 0. So having done this, we can say, okay, from here what are we going to do next? So we are going to compare a is equals to 0 and exponent of a minus 2 is equals to 0. So from here we can say for case 1, which is this is case 1, this is case 2, and this for case 1, a equals to 0. I will know a to be log k to base e, so we can say log k to base e is equals to 0. We can take the exponent of both sides. Say exponent of log k to base e equals to exponent of 0, and we'll apply this rule here that if we're having exponent of log c to base e is equals to c, so we are having here to be exponent of log k to base e equals to exponent of 0, so we are having k is equals to exponent of 0, and exponent of 0 is going to give us 1, so k is equals to 1. So this is the first value for k. Okay, coming to the second value for k, exponent of a minus 2 equals to 0. We can have this to be exponent of a is equals to 2, and recall we say exponent of a is equals to k, therefore k is equals to 2. So these are the possible values for k. This is case 1, this is case 2. So these are the values for k. So our k is equals to 1 and k is equals to 2. So if we substitute all these values into our previous equation, which is this, whatever will be here will be the same as here. So if you find this video useful and interesting, please click on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell. Bye bye. See you in my next video. Please don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button and drop a comment on the comment section below to encourage us. Bye bye.